Your retirement fund is the greatest and most sophisticated legal scam in human history. You are told to spend 40 years of your prime life putting money into a 401k or a pension plan, hoping for a peaceful and secure sunset. But here is the cold black box logic. They will never tell you in school or on the news. You are giving the banks and the government your most valuable and non-renewable asset, which is your time, so they can use your hard-earned money to build their own empires today. By the time you are finally allowed to touch your money, 30 or 40 years from now, inflation will have absolutely destroyed its purchasing power. You are gambling your entire future on the hope that the dollar will still be worth something. In several decades, this is a losing bet. You are being taxed on the way in or taxed on the way out, and you must understand that the house always wins in this game. They want you to stay old, tired, and obedient before you can even dream of enjoying your freedom. Your pension is not a safety net. It is a sophisticated bribe designed to keep you productive and quiet during your best and most energetic years. Real wealth is built through tangible assets that you control directly, not through funds that the government can freeze, tax or devalue at any moment with the stroke of a pen. Think about the logic. Why would the system want you to be financially independent while you are young and strong? They wouldn't. They need your labor to keep the gears of the machine turning. They promise you a reward at the end of the race, but they are the ones moving the finish line every single year. The cost of living. The black box reveals a harsh truth. If you do not control your capital, someone else is using it to control you. The pension trap is a psychological anchor that keeps you tethered to a job you hate and a system that does not care about your well-being. They want you to feel safe while they pick your pockets in the dark. Break free from the illusion of the retirement dream. True financial security does not come from a monthly check promised by a failing state or a corrupt corporation. It comes from the logic of ownership and the mastery of assets that produce cash flow today, not in some distant, uncertain future. Do not wait until you are too old to enjoy the fruits of your life. The time to exit the pension trap is now. Every day you remain invested in their lies is a day you lose your chance at real autonomy. They have sold you a fairy tale to keep you in the factory. It is time to wake up, look at the numbers, and realize that the only person who is going to save you is you. The system is designed to harvest your life force and leave you with the scraps. Reject the trap, embrace the logic of the elite, and start building your own fortress. Your future self will either thank you for your courage today or curse you for your blindness. The choice is yours, but the clock is ticking and the trap is closing.